I believe that a Waqf Board should be focused on serving Islam and Muslims and society and humanity as we have them in the UAE. Firstly, law-abiding with a positive outlook on how religious communities can operate and serve society. In the UAE, the Waqf Boards are professional entities. They are legal in their standing in society. They are very respected. And of course, they manage various parts within the Muslim religious framework of the country. And I believe that the Waqf Boards that we have in the UAE are a role model to Waqf Boards in Muslim countries and Muslim societies in countries such as India, for example. So, to give you a very simplified response, the UAE in all of its sectors and aspects of religious approach has been a role model, truly, genuinely a role model to Muslims in the region and beyond.
In UAE, any decision of the Waqf Board, can it be challenged in a court of law?
Well, the Waqf Board does not oppose the law to begin with. So whatever the Waqf Board issues of directives, it is itself following the law. And that is the duty of Muslims and all Muslim entities in the UAE to follow the law. And the law, as you can see, is a law that is very positive. It embraces people, it embraces not just the Waqf Board for Muslims, and also the temples and the churches and other places of worship. They are all embraced and protected under the law, and they are served and cared for by the government. So it's one thing to take a look at only Waqf Board, but there is no special treatment. Everyone has to follow the law.
One more question. Can you give some kind of communal harmony peace? Because a lot of controversy happening in India and many between different communities, riots are happening. And so, what message you want to give to the Muslims in India?
Regardless of what's happening in India, I want to say something that is a fact. Islam is comprises of nearly 2 billion people. It's not fair for Islam as a religion and for Muslims that a few thousand people can tarnish the reputation of our religion and our faith, right? So the same way the extremists attempt to tarnish our reputation in the media and their leaders, we have to look at the positive Muslim leaders. So, for example, the leaders in the UAE are not just political rulers and state leaders of emirates. They're also Muslim leaders. They're also leaders for the religion and the region. Right? So the President, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, yes, he's the head of state, but he's also a representative of the religion because he's a Muslim role model, runs a Muslim majority country. So we should learn from him how Muslims should behave, how we should have a positive outlook to the future and other people who live with us in society. Violence is not the solution of the wise.